Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Atlas Earth. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in atlasearth.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Atlas Earth website. Now, right from the website, if you wish to delete your account, click on the support option at the top right corner and now you will be taken into the support page. Now from the support page, scroll down and underneath the account option within browser articles, click on the more button. Once you click on more, you can scroll down and you will find how do I delete my account section. Click on this and now you will be shown the instructions that you can follow to delete your account. You will first of all need to log into your account, and after logging in, you can click on your profile icon and open up your game profile. Then you can click on the blue COG button underneath your username to open the settings menu. Then from the settings page, if you scroll all the way down at the bottom, you will find delete my account option. Simply click on delete my account and then you can follow the steps within to proceed with deleting your account on Atlas Earth. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your Atlas Earth account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.